Alright guys, let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum on the channel. Now there's not really much going on when it comes to altcoins, and basically if there's anything later tonight that I see moving up, maybe we'll take a look at it then. But let's just take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum here on the channel today. And guys, you can see we do have actually a little tiny green candle here, and I do have some good news, and we did fill the CME gap here guys completely. You can see this little wick, and that's actually been filled, so I can actually delete this now. So this is a very good sign, and that will not be a magnet anymore for the price of Bitcoin on the CME. So if we go back here guys, you can see that we do have actually this line here. This is a daily resistance at about 112,450. We're still under, and if we can get above this, that would be great. But we have this next resistance, which is a weekly resistance at about 114,128. So after that guys, we do have this neckline here, probably to, it's probably going to give us some resistance when we go up. I do imagine, because it is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. And yeah, we'll get to that when we get there later. Now, before I go a little farther in this video, guys, you can claim some bonuses on my favorite crypto exchanges below. I have partnerships with Bybit, MEXC, BingX, Bitrue, BTC, WEX, and CoinEx. And if you want to get Moodix, you can get a free 7-day trial here. And guys, if you want the world's safest cold wallet, check out this link right here from CypherRock. You can get 17% off your wallet today if you order with this link. Also, you can follow me on X here. Now, taking a look at the Bitcoin monthly returns, guys, you can see that October is about 2.12% down at the moment. Now, keep in mind, these are quite rare, guys. So we've only had 2 red months in October. We're only halfway through October, and we're slightly down. So we're not even that much down, guys. So do not panic just yet. Now, if we look at the quarter, again, the quarter is going to be 2.12% down because this is the first month of the quarter. And Ethereum is also down, 2.16%. So again, that's not that much, guys. Just look at Q2 and Q3 here. I mean, combined, you had over 100% gains. So, just being down 2.16%, that's nothing at the moment, guys. So do not panic. I do not think it's over. Now, jumping over to Ethereum, guys, you can see that we are maybe trying to make some higher lows here. Let's see if this can hold. Maybe this is the next higher low. But we are in this box, guys. Now, remember what this box was. This box was actually where Ethereum failed the last 5 out of 6 times before this run. So if I zoom out here, you can see failure, failure. Then we had a run, so that was successful. And then you had failure, failure, and failure. And then we had a run. Now we're coming back to back test basically this area, and we do need to hold it, guys. Right now, pretty much we are holding it, but I'm going to worry if we do start sealing some weekly candles under about $3,800. So let's hope that does not happen. Now, looking at total market cap here, you can see we are getting a little bit of a green candle today. We have gotten a bounce off this 3.71 trillion weekly support. Keep in mind, this is the daily time frame, but we have been supported here the last several days. So this is quite nice to see. Hopefully we get a little bit of a bounce. We do need to get above about 3.74 trillion on a daily time frame. Now, if we jump over to the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, this is not a good thing, guys. Right now we are, basically getting resistance where this channel was. So again, we are sitting at 1.52 trillion. We do have support on the daily time frame at 1.53. So the day is still not over, guys. And let's see what happens. But yeah, if we're looking at this on a daily time frame, it would be nice to at least get back above 1.53 trillion. We have gotten resistance there today already. But actually 1.49 trillion has supported us the last several days. So we are getting a bounce right now. So this is, nice to see. Let's hope this is, going to make higher lows, just kind of like the Ethereum price. We'll see how this plays out though later. Now, one of my favorite charts, guys, is the Bitcoin dominance here, and you can see that we're kind of just teeter-tottering the line right now, but this trend line goes back to about mid-September, so we're talking about a little bit more than a month, guys. It's been kind of riding it and getting bounces along the way. It did sink through it on the 13th of October, got back above it, but right now it looks like it might lose this line, but we'll see, guys. Still 10 hours and 21 minutes on this candle. Now, If we go to the USDT dominance, again, you know, we have a weekly candle here. It is green. That is not what we want to see. If we look at the daily time frame, though, it's looking a little bit better because it is a red candle. So people are starting to spend their USDT, but we're still pretty high. We're at 4.84%. We really haven't seen that for a very long time before, you know, the last few days here. Let's see. Let's go back and look. Basically, it was back in June, guys, when we saw this high of USDT dominance. So yeah, not too good. You know, I mean, we did get as low as about 4% almost, or around 4%. But yeah, since then we have gone up almost a full percent. Altcoin season index is at a 43 now, so we are trending more towards the Bitcoin season, unfortunately. Earlier before this video, it was at a 45, so yeah, we are cooling, and that is not a good sign, guys. Now, looking at the liquidation heat map, still quite elevated, 527 million still. So we haven't really gotten down to like the 200 million, you know, 100 million zone yet. You know, that's still elevated in my book. Over 500 million is really elevated. Fear and greed is sitting at a 28 today. It did actually go a little bit lower than yesterday. Yesterday was a 34. We still have about 10.5 hours though until the next update. Now, bull market peak indicators here, it's still 100% hold, guys. There's still hope here. And look at this, guys, 54.8% on the Pi cycle top indicator. So this is what 54.8% looks like, guys. I mean, in my opinion, it does look like it's kind of diverging from one another here. And yeah, that percentage is actually going a bit lower. I think last week we saw something like 62%. But yeah, I mean, I don't think we've been above like 65% this whole cycle yet. So, you know, maybe not the whole cycle, but you know, in recent memory here, we haven't been above probably even 62, 63%. Now, on the economic calendar today, we just have a couple more speakers, but tomorrow, guys, and I'm looking at Friday here, we do have industrial production, and that's pretty much it, guys. Everything has been wiped off the calendar because of the government shutdown. Now, taking a quick look at Moodyx, guys, you can see the sentiment is still risk on. That trend is growing, and today has been very positive. So, you know, the week also is very, very positive. The month is still positive too, guys. We've had a lot of, you know, good news today. You can see a lot of green over here. But that's just not translating to crypto, unfortunately. Now, taking a look at Trueflation here, we have a 2.22% inflation rate, so it's a little bit more elevated than yesterday here. If we look at crypto bubbles, not looking too good. Only a few projects here are in the green, guys. And if you want to stake your coins, for example, Virtual's protocol, guys, I was looking for that a little bit earlier. You can go to Coinondo and search for what you need, guys. Basically, you can search up here. For example, you can search for Loopring or Enzyme, or for example, TRX. I'm always searching for TRX anyways. But anyways, you have the list here. There's 46 results of that. But they pretty much have most cryptos here, but not everything, guys. And not all exchanges, so keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this video with your friends, guys. And check out those links below, guys, because really it helps me a lot when you use them. Of course, I only get pennies, but, you know, when everybody's using these links, it helps me out a lot. So, yeah, I really, truly appreciate those who have used it recently. And, guys, I will see you in the next video.